Midday that way.
In this video I'm sharing some footage of the MJX 10208 V1 and also my modified Arrma Vorteks.
It's pulling to the left.
Okay, so 31 mile an hour on 3S. Now it is slower than some of the competition, but as you can see in the footage, it's still quite a good speed for this car. Arguably it's more than enough, and if you do want more speed you can always run it on 4S. Now the plastics on this car are really soft and flexible, so when you're driving you can actually see the car leaning and twisting, flexing as you drive. Not necessarily a bad thing, it's just something to note. Now this car has a centre differential, and I found driving it on the tarmac there, it didn't spin out very easily, which is one of the bonuses of having the centre diff. You'll see later on that the Vortex likes to spin out, so that's definitely an advantage, having the centre differential, in my opinion. Okay, so we're just doing some jumps here on this ramp on the grass, and I've got to say this car has taken quite a bit of a beating, lots of crashes, and nothing broke. It just took it all. I'll let you see. I didn't include all of the footage of the crashes, but let's just say there were quite a few. So one of the changes that we have made to this car is the shock absorbers. The standard shocks are, I think they're oversprung, and it just makes the car quite bouncy, and they're also quite short. What was one of the complaints with this car was the ride height, so it's got some longer shocks from an Arrma Granite on the rear, and it's got some ZB Racing shocks on the front, again that are just slightly longer than the original ones, and we've just played around with the springs and the oils in the shocks just to make it a little bit softer. It's not perfect, but it's better than it was. It does have more ride height now, and it's a little bit less bouncy. Okay, so this car can do backflips on 3S on the right ramp. Okay, onto my Arrma Vorteks. Now this car's got quite a few modifications that I've listed here. So you'll probably notice straight away the car is quite noisy. The gears are whining. I believe the noise is coming from the metal differentials that are fitted. I think they need re-shimming. It's not binding up, but maybe it's something I'll address. Okay, so we got 46 mile an hour on 3S. Right, so now onto the tarmac, and straight away you'll notice the car likes to spin out. As soon as you try and put the power down, it just wants to go round in circles, and that is one of the disadvantages of not having a centre differential. You can't hold a slide, it just wants to spin round in circles. Not a major issue on a basher, and to be honest, a short wheelbase truck, it's kind of to be expected, but bear that in mind if you do want to use it on the road or on gravel. It is going to just spin around in circles.
Wanna race around the island?
Yeah, go on then.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh!
So the MJX went straight into the gutter, but luckily no damage there.
I got nervous.
There's a little jump. Let's see what this jump's about down here.
So for this last bit of footage we're running on 4S in the Vortex, and as you can see the car is quite a bit more lively and wants to do backflips. So if you do want to run 4S, I'd recommend you change the gears to steel gears, and also change out the plastic drive shafts to the upgraded CVDs. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.